My heart's beating so fast. Why am I so nervous? I'm sweating.
Don't pass out.
Okay. Hello, we are the Shower Cap Kids. Welcome to Would You Rather. Thanks for joining in, and we hope you enjoy the show.
All right, want another one?
Yeah. I smell everywhere.
I think the rings would drive
No
me
ring.
Not every burp
You
smell bad.
should plug your nose.
It's a cell
Yeah, I
phone.
would
It's
just
a
plug
cell
my
phone.
nose.
I don't care how annoying it is. That burp
Some
is
of them don't even
I would go ring if it was
Go hear the ring.
I mean,
That-
some
I
burps
would get
aren't-
sick of the rings.
it gets
Me too.
annoying. Okay, you get sick of the ringing, but you don't get used to the smell.
Right.
That's true. That's true.
Come on.
True.
That's just not.
You guys gotta step up.
Because if you plug
There's
your
no way.
ears,
my dream.
Like wear earplugs, you know?
I think they're not in your. I don't think it's in your brain. I think they're just like loud enough just for you to hear.
Yeah.
I think it also depends
Most
on
people
people
don't,
being able
yeah.
to eating.
okay, but here's the thing: most people have their phone on mute, anyways.
Yeah, I get annoyed by my phone ringing, my own phone. So I
Wait, by phone calls, do you mean like actual phone calls or like the conversation?
conversations, I would like that.
Yo,
Oh,
what
yeah.
is the
Ooh, I
conversation?
would like that.
Gossiping.
Yeah, I would
Dude,
hate the
does
conversation.
Yeah, what if it was like, what if I could just see everyone's
I
like
kind of
gossiping?
like the
And
Apple
everyone
ringtone.
gossiping.
I feel like it wouldn't.
Just because the burp one's so gross.
Yeah. No.
I think I would go.
I feel like it wouldn't be as bad as it sounds.
I could not hear a phone that many times. Like my brain
Dude,
would just
a
be
burp.
I have my own
burp,
phone.
You like
I
the
can't
burp?
deal with
You'd be like in the shower and you just
I
like
can't handle my
smell
own phone
mayonnaise.
ringing.
Yeah, that's disgusting. That's a good idea, Mike. Like everything. Think of everything that you do, just smelling a burp while you're doing it.
But let's
All
say
right.
like you're about to go to bed and you hear like a and you're like,
Oh.
My phone doesn't sound like that for starters.
I don't think anyone's
Someone else's mic.
would sound like that.
Yeah, Aiden made the wrong noise, so we're not gonna take that.
I'm not good at automatic.
My ringtone is by the seaside from Apple.
Mine's like dun, 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 dun.
Oh, next question.
Nerf.
What is
Nerf
nerf
for nothing.
mean?
What is
What
Nerf?
is
Nerf, like
I don't know, but I don't like Tootsie
Oh,
Roll.
Nerf. I thought you said the Nerf. Like it's
I would
Nerf
go
or
all
nothing.
the
Wait, I thought it was
and then-
a Nerf gun.
Oh,
Yeah.
Nerf.
Nerf.
Oh, I just thought everyone was playing Nerf.
Tootsie Roll.
I would eat all of the Tootsie Rolls.
What's the problem? What the-
You know how much money Nerf?
I
costs?
can't eat more than I can't eat a Tootsie Roll without hating it
I
because
don't
it
like
gets
them
stuck.
at all.
And I
What
do
is a
that.
Tootsie Roll made
Imagine
of?
the summer. It would just be like,
Tootsie Rolls are sticky.
Borderline gum.
Chocolate.
Tootsie Roll is borderline gum.
I don't even know.
What is a Tootsie
I
Roll? Is a Tootsie Roll made of?
I think
It's
like
like
chocolate.
chocolate,
It's
but
like
not.
made out of
Like
gum.
It's like
plastic?
chocolate toffee.
Hold on, I'm gonna Google it. I'm gonna Google it. It's not
like
toffee.
You know? It's like plastic.
It's chocolate version.
Tootsie Roll makeup. Hold on, I'm on it. Oh, I typed in
What?
Tootsie Roll makeup. So I'm getting like makeup tutorials for things that smell
Wait,
like Tootsie
what
Roll.
did you expect, Morgan?
I don't know. Hold on. Tootsie Roll candies. Sugar, corn syrup, palm oil, condensed skim milk, cocoa, whey, soy. I don't know how to pronounce
Yeah,
that word. Artificial and
You know.
natural flavors.
That's
Then
sticky.
no, not a Tootsie.
So no
Roll.
coffee.
None of that
It is
is certified
Kosher.
That's-
Wait, Tootsie Rolls are certified kosher.
Okay, so
That means German people can eat them, right?
German
Oh,
people?
Oh my
World hunger.
Oh
Yeah,
my
did
god.
anybody else see my point about world hunger?
yeah, we're not moving on.
I did not mean
Oh, that's okay.
We'll cut it.
Oh, okay, here's an interesting one.
The whole
Fatty
Food.
food. I don't like
fatty
soda.
food. Fatty
Um,
fatty food.
I hate my
Soda's not even that good, man.
It is
I don't- I
I
impossible.
don't drink enough soda to cause tooth.
I don't
Oh,
really
food is way better
That's
than-
just
food is
soda.
way better than drink.
I
don't really
I've
drink
gained like
soda,
30 pounds
so-
already.
It doesn't matter to me.
Okay,
Yeah.
but hear me out. There are also health issues to not being able to gain weight from fatty food. Because what if you keep
Oh.
working out and you get too skinny? That's a problem.
What if you work out until
Problem.
you stop existing?
Also, I don't drink enough
Yeah,
soda
Jamie.
to deal with tooth decay. So that's
Become 2D.
like Flat Stanley. That's actually kind of cool.
Wait,
I'm
what?
on team no fat game.
Yeah, no fact.
Definitely is game.
No, definitely soda. Are you kidding me?
No, what?
Yeah,
There's way more-
soda.
Wait,
There's
wait,
way more
wait.
good fatty
Only-
food than soda. You'd get sick.
Drink soda and brush your teeth now.
Aiden, is your cat?
Mike.
Yeah, you can't eat food and then brush your tummy.
I'd rather have white teeth than I'd rather have white
Everyone
teeth.
said that.
Look at these.
Oh,
Look at these.
wow, it looks like Mike already did it.
I had 2 Cokes yesterday.
Do you just bring your toothbrush everywhere you go?
I see a cavity.
No, you
Now we
don't.
All right, here we go. This one's up the shower cap alley.
Boys,
Yeah, their hair.
I
boys,
didn't hear a word. I didn't hear a word you just
If
said.
your hair, you're not happy with your hair. Boys.
Hair.
probably-
Probably my
I just want to be bald so bad.
You can do so much
Their
with the voice.
hair.
you could literally blackmail a person for the rest of their life with their voice.
You
Well,
see,
they're
I'm an
too-
impulse.
Like you have a killer like British.
I'd love to have an afro. I mean, that'd be cool.
I'm team hair. I'm team
Yeah.
hair.
Hey,
all the
I'm
way.
sticking with hair too.
Wait, does
I
this,
don't
come,
know.
does this come from mustaches? Asking for Aiden. Does this come from mustaches? Sorry, Aiden.
Only head hair.
Then definitely boys.
Not like if
No
someone
hair.
had a cool eyebrow slit, you could have mimicked that.
What if you can't grow your own mustache and you want to look at someone else's
See, me and
mustache?
James already have the best hair, so we don't need to change it.
Mike, why you helping me?
Okay, whose hair would you want to switch with though?
A bald
No one.
person.
My,
Want to trade hair?
Imagine
I
if
just
Michael
want
had
to be
James'
bald
hair.
for like a few days.
Okay, can we trade hair?
why?
Yeah.
Why do you want to be bald?
I
Can you
just
just watch
do.
Freddy movie?
I
Hair
want to
is
switch with
short.
Dean. I want to switch Dean's
I'll
hair.
tell you whose hair I wouldn't want.
Yes, I was
Aiden. I'm kidding, but also I'm not
We're
really.
gonna.
Yeah.
Wow, that was pretty crazy, huh? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.